Do you have a project in Odessa, Florida, generating more waste than you anticipated? Introducing J&Z Dumpster Solutions, your go-to destination for hassle-free dumpster rental in Odessa, Florida. At J&Z Dumpster Solutions, we understand the importance of having a reliable partner for waste removal needs. That's why we offer a wide range of driveway-friendly bins suitable for projects of any size. Whether tackling a home renovation, managing a construction site, or overseeing a commercial project, our bins are designed to make your job easier. And with flexible rental options, you can choose the duration that best fits your project timeline. But our services continue beyond there. In addition to dumpster rentals, we also offer efficient junk removal services to help you clear away debris quickly and hassle-free. Visit our website at www.jzdumpstersolutions.com, Dumpster Rental Odessa FL, to learn more about our services and to book your dumpster rental today. You can also call us at 727-236-7077 to speak with one of our friendly representatives. Trust J&Z Dumpster Solutions, your reliable partner from start to finish for all your waste disposal needs in Odessa, Florida.